Hello, my dear student. Today we will talk about surface area of cylinder. Okay. First of all, you need to know that this figure is called cylinder, right? The surface area we will put the symbol S of a cylinder with height h. So surface area we will put it S, height it will take h, and radius r is the sum of the areas of cylinder base and the area of curved surface. Okay, first of all, let's know what is the radius, where is the height, and so on. So this line that's from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. Okay, and that is the height. But maybe I will not give you the radius, I will give you diameter, and diameter is the line segment that cross the center, and diameter are equal to diameter is about 2 radius. So if I give you the diameter and you want to get the radius from diameter, all what you have, you will make it like this: radius equal diameter divide 2. Okay, first of all, let's see what is the rule of surface area of cylinder. It's equal 2 times pi times r power 2 plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so you need to save this rule to solve any question today. But the easy thing in our lesson today is that we have only one rule that we will deal with it. So just if you answer 2 or 3 questions, you will see that you already saved the rule, and it's not that hard. So let's say it again before we answer. Surface area of cylinder are equal to 2 times pi times r power 2 plus 2 times pi times r times h. Okay, don't forget r represents radius, h represents height, and of course the pi equal 3.14. So if he give you in the exam, that will be great, but if he didn't give it to you, you need to know that pi equal 3.14. Okay, now let's see the first question we have today. Here he gave this cylinder and he put the numbers on the picture, so we will take it and we will solve. He wants here from you to find the surface area of cylinder. Okay, and he tell you that round to the nearest tenth. So if we have a long decimal, we will make round to the nearest tenth. First of all, let's write the rule. Surface area of cylinder are equal to 2 pi r power 2 plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so let's put the numbers. The radius here is 2, so that will be 2 pi 2 power 2 plus 2 pi. The r is 2 and the height is 7. We will replace the pi with 3.14, so that will be 2 times 2 power 2. 2 power 2 are equal to 4. 4 times 2 equal 8, so that will be 8 times 3.14. And 3.14 is the pi. Okay, the pi equal 3.14 plus 2 times 7 equal 14. 2 times 7 equal 14 times 2 equal 28. So that will be 28 times 3.14. And that's equal to. So 8 times 3.14 equal 25.12. 25.12 plus. Now we have 28 times 3.14. 28 times 3.14. And that's equal 87.92. Okay, now we need to make the plus to find the surface area of cylinder. And that's equal what, my dears? That will be 13.04, right? 113 0.04, but he tell you round to the nearest tens. So underline tens, look before it's poor, so the zero is still the same, so it will be 113.0, and that will equal 113. That's equal 113. Okay, you get it? That's great. Let's see the next one. Okay, here he gave this cylinder, but focus, here he gave you diameter, not radius. So if I want to find the radius, that will equal what? That will equal diameter divide 2. The diameter here is 4, so that will be 4 divided 2 equal 2. So the radius is 2 inch. Okay, first of all, let's write the rule, then we can answer. The surface area of cylinder are equal to 2 times pi times r power 2 plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so let's replace each one of that with the number. So that will equal 2 pi, and the pi is 3.14, times the r here is 2, so that will be 2 power 2 plus 2 pi times 2 times 12. Okay, so here we have 2 power 2, 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times the pi here is 3.14 plus. Now we have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 12. Who can tell me? That's 48 times 3.14. Okay, habibi, to find the result, let's find the answer or the result of 8 times 3.14, then make plus for the second one to find the total. Okay, so 8 times 3.14 equal to 25.12 plus, let's see the next one, it's 48 times 3.14. Who can tell me this is equal what? It will equal 150.72 equal. Now we all what we have, just make plus 150.72 plus 25.12, and that's equal, my dear, 175.84. Okay, you get it? Are you sure? That's great. Let's see the next one. Okay, the next one, it's not different that before. The only different here, I gave you the diameter, the height, the information in written way, not in a picture. This is the only difference. So I need for you to focus with me in this question, because you will answer the second one. Okay, you ready? Okay, first of all, let's write the rule. Surface area of cylinder is equal 2 pi r power 2 plus 2 pi r h. First, we have the height, but if we look carefully, we don't have the radius. Here he gave you diameter. So, can one of you tell me how can I find the radius? I'm waiting for your answer. Super, it's correct. To find the radius, all what we have, just make diameter divide 2. The diameter here is 10, so that will be 10 divided 2 equal 5. That's great. Okay, now let's find the surface area of cylinder. That will be 2 times pi, and the r here is 5, so that would be 5 power 2 plus 2 pi, the radius here is 5 times the height 4 equal. Well, 5 power 2 is 25 times 2 is equal 50 pi. So here we have 50 pi and the pi here is 3.14 plus 5 times the height here is 4. 5 times 4 equal 20. 20 times 2 equal 40. And the pi here is 3.14. Now let's get the result. 50 times 3.14 equal to 157. Plus, let's see the next one. 40 times 3.14. Okay, who can tell me it will equal what? Super, I can hear one of you tell me it will be 125.6. Now all what we have, just make plus 125.6 plus 157, and that, my dear, will equal to 182.6. You get it? If you want for me to repeat it, I'm sure that you get it. Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, now it's your turn. You will stop the video. You will try to solve this question alone. After you finish, play the video again, compare your answer with mine. But before you do that, I'm sure your answer will be correct. Okay, so now stop the video. I'm waiting for you. Okay, welcome back, my dears. So first of all, tell me the rule. What's surface area of cylinder? It's equal what? It's equal 2 pi r power 2 plus 2 pi r h. Well, let's replace each letter of that with its number. Equal 2. Yeah, tell me, come on, tell me the answer. I'm waiting for you. 4. Yeah, 2 pi 4 power 2. Great. Plus 2 pi. The hour here is 4. And the h is 2.5, so that will be 2.5, right? Let's write it in decimal. It will be much easy to get the result. Okay, 4 power 2 is 16, and when we make it times 2, that will be 32. Don't forget the pi here is 3.14, so let's make it time 3.14. Plus, let's see the next one. 4 times 2.5, that will equal, great, that will equal 10. 10 times 2 equal 20. So that will be 20 times the pi, like we said before, it's 3.14. Now let's get the result. 32 times 3.14 equal what, my dears? Super, that will be 100.48. Plus the second one, it's 20 times 3.14, right? And that will equal 62.8. Equal. Now all what we have, just make plus for these two numbers. That will equal 163.28. Okay, habibi, you understand? That's great. Okay guys, now we finished our session. I hope you understand the lesson, and I guess now you saved the rule. So what you gonna do now, I want from you to open your booklet, try to solve the equation that you have, and good luck and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.